Today we will be testing the false breakout indicator.
But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon.
Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the false breakout indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 59 different strategies, with 15 of them being profitable. We've also tested a total of 768 indicators, with 309 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We've also retested in the advanced testing 7 of the winning indicators, the best one a 76% win rate. Now keep in mind that we test most of the strategies and indicators on the Forex market, but they can be applied to just about any market universally. Okay, so today's indicator is the false breakout indicator. And if I scroll back here a little bit, you can see these tags right here, these arrows, if you will, the red arrow here pointing down and a green arrow here pointing up. And so basically what this indicator does is it is identifying when a false breakout takes place. And so basically a breakout that isn't able to sustain in the breakout direction due to a lack of momentum or a lack of buying or selling pressure. And so this indicator is basically a reversal indicator because as it identifies that false breakout that takes place and that false breakout fails, then it identifies when a breakout took place, and then when it fails, then it is then moving price back in the opposite direction. And so again, these arrows here are the signals there, so you can see a red one here and a green one there. So when we get a red arrow, we are looking to go short. When we get a green arrow, we are looking to go long. And that's how we are going to test it today. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of it. All right, so the first signal that we pick up is a long signal right here. We get that green arrow there that we are looking for, giving us the long signal. Unfortunately, pretty much immediately, we get a pullback in price action, which pulls back and comes down and stops us out. Let's go ahead and continue on. All right, we then pick up another long signal right here. Again, you can see that green arrow there pointing up. So we get a little bit of consolidation. We get a push up in the right direction that we're looking for, but it just barely misses our take profit before it then rolls over and pushes down really heavily there. This does pull back just far enough to hit our stop. Let's go ahead and continue on. All right, we then pick up a short right here, and we get that red arrow that we're looking for, and a really nice push to the downside there, finally getting us to a take profit there. What I'm going to do now is go ahead and fast forward through the rest of the testing, that way things don't get too long, and we'll pick this up when we are at the end of the year. All right, so that puts us at the end of the year right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, I'd like to give a quick shout out to our Discord server. So this is our Discord server here. There's a lot of free channels here for people to hang out and take advantage of any conversations taking place there. We also have a Patreon only channel here that's set up just for our patrons, where we post some really great advanced information for everybody to take advantage of. And so, for example, our admin Jay does a really good job trading futures. You can see this is a chart that he posted where he's marked out areas of support and resistance, areas of interest, even where he's looking to possibly enter into trades. Gives a quick write-up of where his mind is and what exactly it is that he's looking for, what he's thinking about trading. We also have a member here named Sasquatch. He's an amazing Forex prop trader. He's often pretty much every single day that the market is open, posting charts like this of the Forex market where he's marked out areas of support and resistance, areas of interest, even sometimes where he is looking to take a trade with the entry, the take profit, the stop, the whole deal. A lot of really great information for you to take advantage of here. Even if you're not necessarily looking to trade price action or support and resistance, it's a really good idea to understand how these areas can affect any trading system you might be using, and how to plot these areas on chart, and again take advantage of how they can affect a trading system you might be looking to use. And so, like I said, really great information. I highly recommend that you join us here, take advantage of the information that we're putting out for everyone to see. All right, back to our indicator here. So let's go ahead and get this pulled back here, and let's go ahead and count this out and see what we have. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we have 5 trades altogether, and we have 1, 2, and 3 winners. And so that's barely going to meet the 60% criteria, meets it right on the dot, as a matter of fact. All in all, an okay indicator. Wish it gave more trades within the 1 year's time. 5 trades isn't a whole lot. The first couple of trades kind of stumbled there a little bit. Now, truth be told, you could make the argument that they did call the trend in the right direction. We can see that we got a long signal here. Even though we pulled back and got stopped out, we did end up going long. We got a long signal here. Even though we pulled back and got stopped out, we did end up going long. And so the indicator wasn't necessarily at fault. Maybe just our take profit and stop was just a little too tight on those. Maybe a take profit and stop, a little bit different area, could have saved at least one of these trades and bumped up that win rate even more. All in all, like I said, an okay indicator, not bad at all. It's definitely going to go on the yes list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.